Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to get paid by watching ads. So I have to don't waste any time and first I have one request to please subscribe the channel. So you have to come on come on to your Chrome browser. I have put the website link in the description. Please register yourself and you have to put your name, email, password, confirm password, and I agree with terms and rights, and I am a human. If you not continue with email, continue with Google or Facebook. So after continuing, so the good method for you is to come onto the description and refer for yourself of my referral link, and you will earn uh, there is a possibility of to earn uh, a little bit of a coins or more coins than others. So come on, and this page you will come to this page, and you will have to in every 25 minutes you have to claim that reward. Claim reward, click on, and that's not worked. What was the problem? So there is a captcha. You have to solve this captcha and earn. So come on, solve this captcha and click on get reward. So you will be seeing that the reward have been added. So 63 coins you can see here, and previous was 46 coins, and now you will earn to watch ads. So come on, to PTC ads. PTC ads, 19 ads available. I have to watch one ad with and click on watch and scroll down and complete the captcha. So 781 and get reward. After clicking get reward, another window will pop up. Please wait, and you have to please wait for 40 seconds. So you have to wait. I will skip the video. After waiting for 40 seconds, and click continue. Click on continue button, and you will have one ad, and please come back, and you can see here my coins have been added. You can see here my earned coins. So that's the way of. And for withdraw, you have to come on to this withdraw option, and this website link is the description. You will earn a bit of a commission when you refer myself, and you refer yourself of my referral link. So when you have 2,700 coins, 2,700 coins, you will can withdraw money from this site. So that's all for this video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. And please subscribe the channel, and bye.